12 nanalong senador sa eleksyon 2025 ipoproklama bukas May 17 ayon sa COMELEC. Sundan sa report.
The Secretary is hereby directed to issue the corresponding letters of invitation to the 12 winning senatorial candidates, and likewise for the supervisory group to recommend to us the exact date when the proclamation of the winning party list groups, organizations, or parties will be held. But definitely, the National Board of Canvassers have decided to proceed first with the proclamation of the winning candidates for senators by Saturday.
Inatasan na ni COMELEC Chairman George Garcia sa Supervisory Committee na maglabas ng resolusyon para sa proklamasyon ng 12 nanalong senador bukas. Sa final at official canvas na inilabas ng COMELEC na umuupong National Board of Canvassers, pasok sa Magic 12 ng senatorial elections sina Bongo, Bam Aquino, Bato de la Rosa, Erwin Tulfo, Kiko Pangilinan, Rodante Marcoleta, Ping Lacson, Tito Soto, Pia Cayetano, Camille Villar, Lito Lapid at Amy Marcos. Idinaan pa ito sa auditing para matiyak ang tamang bilang ng mga boto. Sa party list group naman, ang top 15 base sa nakuhang boto at ranking ng COMELEC ay ang Akbayan, Duterte Youth, Tingog, 4Ps, ACT CIS, Ako Bicol, Uswag Ilonggo, Solid North, Trabaho, Sibak, Malasakit at Bayanihan, Senior Citizen, PPP, ML at FPJ Bayanihan. Sa Lunes ang proklamasyon ng mga nanalong party list group. 82.2% ng kabuang rehistradong botanteng Pilipino ang bumoto para sa eleksyon 2025 na siyang pinakamataas na porsyento ng voter turnout sa midterm elections ng bansa sa kasaysayan ayon sa Commission on Elections.
The Commission on Election would like to express our deepest appreciation to the Filipino people. This is the first time, again, in our history that we registered an 82.2% voters turnout, the highest in a midterm elections.
CJ Torida, One North, Central Luzon.